and it self-empties into it. And then you can toss it after closing it. And it comes with an extra bag. You can hear the sounds of it picking up the little pieces of whatever it's picking up on the floor. So you heard the motor as it went on a slight carpet. So it needed to have a stronger section. It was the mat over there. Okay, now we're going to be mopping the floor. So I did fill this with water in here, and I used good filtered water for this, so it's not our hard water. And I also put the mop pad underneath here. So we're going to insert it into the Deebot and get it going. And then it recognizes that the mop mode is ready.